If you are not familiar with VBA, you can try Kutools for Excel's Select Specific Cells utility, and then insert rows above. First, select the list you want to find out the specific cells from. Then go to Kutools and select Specific Cells. Here, check Entire Row option, and then go to Select Equals from Specific Type List, and then enter the value you want to find in the right text box. Click OK, and a dialog pops out to remind you the number of selected rows. Just close it. Place cursor at one selected row and right-click to select Insert from Context menu. That's it. Now the rows are inserted above based on a specific value.